We are live, Luke. Good afternoon, Luke. How are you doing? We're just walking along Disney Springs. We just had lunch at the Rainforest Cafe. Where else? And hey, look, a dog store. Let's see. Hey, let's see if they have anything for Rosie. Not really. Cute, but not really. Look, Paw Wars. Look. See it? It says Paw Wars. It's cute. Oh, look, it's Halloweeny. Look. Look, all the Mickey statues and all that. Look. Cute. Look, more Pops. And Dorbs. Oh, look, the collector. Well, if you're a collector of the collector, there's a lot of collector stuff here. Anyway, continuing on. Look, Luke. He's so cute. All right, why don't we go into Once Upon a Toy? That's a good idea. So we did about, whoa, Luke, look! Giant Mickey Pumpkin. We did about 3 hours at Hollywood Studios and came down here.
This trip, we're gonna get to do a lot more
because we got to rent a car.
We're doing the Tim Tracker experience.
There you go. Ooh, look.
You can say.
Yep. A nice store.
Yeah.
Lots of car stuff. Crush. Look, he smells like strawberries. Just like in the movie. Does he? So is this the one that has the train going? Look, Luke. Hey, Luke, look. It's Woody. Hi, howdy, hi. Or, hey, howdy, ho. Oh, look. It's your dad's favorite thing.
Exclusives.
Not even just that. Look at all the sum-sums. Whoa, Mike Wazowski. You might have to come home with me. But I'm going to Character Warehouse after this, so we'll take a look. They even have Randall. These are...
We used to have a big basket until someone got hit in the face with one of those.
There's Stitch up there. There's my two favorite things, Mickey and baseball. Anyway, continuing this way, Luke. Yeah, whatever. I don't let people...
He was trying to throw the baseball on my head.
He wasn't throwing at you. He's just playing around. Anyway, continuing on. Let's go outside, Luke. Finally, see if we can get to the New World Disney. Hey, it's Minnie Max.
He said, I will not protect Hero Hamada. That's how he said.
Luke, it's the Christopher Robin Tigger. Oh, you're right. He looked like it, but he doesn't have, he has the eyes. Hey, I've never seen a Figment outside of Epcot before. Continuing on.
Oh, here's where you get it for your costume.
Yeah.
It lights up. We'll walk over here.
Whoa, Luke, Jack Skellington, Mickey.
No.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. Come on. Oh. Sorry. That's okay. Continuing on. Hey, look, it's Mr. Potato Head. Let's get to the world.
The new world at Disney we're gonna go to. Earlier today we checked out Toy Story Land.
Yep. It's not too crowded here. This is a good thing. Yeah. Earlier today we checked out. Here, Luke.
Saucers.
Here, let's get Luke on camera. Let's get Luke on camera. Hi, Luke.
Hi.
Yeah, earlier.
That was a very long wait for swirling saucers, but now we're gonna go.
But it was worth it. I got to experience Slinky Dog Jack twice, and having experienced both rides twice now, Slinky Dog and the swirling saucers. I still like the swirling saucers.
The swirling saucers is incredibly. It jerks you.
Yeah, but I love it. It's fun.
Yeah.
You know, it's fun ride.
There's
Anyway.
the New World of
Anyway, let me get back to the video. We're heading to Stitch. There's some snacks. Oh, we gotta take some pictures. We gotta go to the store for. Hey, Luke, we gotta stop. It's the PhotoPass studio.
What?
All right, we're gonna end the video for now. So go in here. All right, bye.